Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Davis. If you're new here, I make a lot of lifestyle vlogs and fashion videos, so if that's your vibe, then definitely subscribe. Today we're going to do a little day in the life of Elizabeth Davis vlogs, and I'm going to be showing you guys some more Whole30 recipes that I've been having. We are going to be planning in my bullet journal, and I also have a very special collaboration that I'm doing today with MAPIFUL. MAPIFUL is such a great company. I have really loved them for a long time, and I would always see so many different videos of people going on to MAPIFUL's website and choosing a map of a place that really just speaks to them. You can also do like a location of any place in the world, and you can do like your hometown, your favorite city, a city that is special to you for some reason. And they reached out to me recently and asked me if I would want to collaborate with them, and I was so excited. So I went onto their website and I played around with a few different maps. You can choose any sort of different style, and I actually ended up getting a pretty big one. It's a 24 by 36, and I actually got the landscape. So I'm gonna show you guys. I have to stand up because it's very large. So this is the map, and it is of Canton, Ohio. This is the city I'm from. This is where I've been born and raised. I still live here. It's my home. It is shaped who I am. I work in Canton. I eat and sleep and breathe in Canton. I really love my hometown. My whole family lives here, and it's just a really special place. So I bounced around with a few different cities, but I was like, you know, Canton's really the only place that really truly means a whole lot to me. And no matter what happens, where I end up in the world, Canton will always be home. So I really love that I was able to create this on MAPIFUL of my hometown, and also it is my favorite color, which is like a rosy blush pink color. I think it's so pretty. It matches my bedroom perfect, and it definitely describes me as an individual. So thank you, MAPIFUL, so much for collaborating with me on today's video. You can check out their website down below. I've linked it. It's a special link, so you can go online for yourself and create your favorite map of the stars or of your favorite city, or there's even a text picture that you can create, which is really cool. So check that out too. They have so many different options, and I'm just really thankful they reached out to me. So thank you again, MAPIFUL. I have nothing but good things to say about them, and I would love to work with them in the future. So definitely check out their website, shop their maps, and get one for yourself. I just need to decorate this shelf, but it looks good.
I like that. They had a book.
I think I want to put something right here because it looks
picture.
Probably it looks a little bit crooked. Do you think it could, like, if I bring it up this way a little bit, you know?
Yeah,
because it's kind of the frame isn't overly sturdy. Yeah, I think that's good. Hey guys, so I'm laying here editing, and I completely lost all the footage for the beginning where I like talked about what I was cooking. So on Whole30, I have been eating a lot of cauliflower rice, and this was like my first attempt at really making it. And I kind of talk about that a little bit in the like intro. It's like 7 minutes. I don't know what I was talking about for 7 minutes, but I can't get it to re-download and load. So I'm just telling you guys like what the prefacing the video basically, because it just goes from the map to cauliflower rice, and you can't even really tell that's what it is, and I don't say that's what it is. So I just wanted to let you know that I'm actually cooking my lunch for this next part. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing, so if I do something wrong, I have another bag. All right, so I'm using this thing. There we go. I knew that would work. All right, just gotta make sure I wash it now. Going over here too. Salt. Pepper. What I haven't decided is if I'm going to eat this like in my salad, or if I'm going to eat it like on the side. I'm not sure, but I'm also going to take this, which has sugar in it. It's not Whole30, but I'm literally using a dash of it, just because I'm going to be doing a vinaigrette with lemon, and so I thought this would be a complimentary flavor. So far with Whole30, I have really learned how unhealthy I was eating leading up to this new fast or diet. I hate to call it a diet because I mean, I know it's a diet, but it's not like, it's more, for me, it's more of a fast, and then I think Whole30 is definitely like a lifestyle thing, obviously, as they always say, and it's totally true, because I feel like if you're doing a diet, normally it's to lose weight or like see some sort of really quick change in your body, and like Whole30 has done that for me, but it's not why I did it, you know what I mean? So right now I'm just chopping up my cilantro. I always want to call it parsley because it looks like parsley to me. And then I'm just going to take it and just bloop. My grandpa hates cilantro. He says it tastes like soap. I think that's so funny. I don't think it tastes like soap at all. I think it tastes really good. Probably could have chopped it up a little more though. I've got some big old chunks in there. I find it so satisfying to stir things. I don't know why. But yeah, so this is what we've got going right now. Sorry, that's kind of a weird angle. But I'm gonna be doing a full what I eat in a day video. It'll be live tomorrow. I'm doing it with Haley Crow, so stay tuned for that, because she's going to be uploading her version of what she eats in a day. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. Sorry. So that'll be up tomorrow, and you can check out her channel too once I upload it, or you can check it out right now. She's got a lot of good videos over there. She's the sweetest girl. I really love her. I'm really excited to collab with her. How do you know when this is done?
So long, silent movies, quiet dances on the screen.
My illegal lemon seasoning in there. It has onion sugar in it, which I'm assuming is not Whole30 legal. So that's why I say that it's not Whole30 approved. But I'm like, okay, so it's not like I'm just putting sweetener in my rice. It's not enough to, I really honestly make a huge difference. Like, it might make a tiny bit of difference. Like, at the end I might lose 1 less pound than I probably would have had I not used it, but you know, it smells really good. I love onions, so I'm putting a lot of onions on my salad. Do not judge. So now I'm gonna make the vinaigrette, which is about half of a lemon. Half a lemon juice, I should say. I'm going to take the olive oil again, like 3 tablespoons, maybe 4. And then salt and pepper it.
But I can't see those murky lights that are hanging on the wall.
And you can stop there if you want, but I usually add like onion powder or garlic powder, or fresh garlic, but I don't feel like cutting that up. So I'm just gonna go with the powder. It would probably taste better with fresh garlic. So now I'm just going to put it on the salad. And there you go, you have a dressing. So I want to show you guys the final product before I eat. Okay, so here is the final product. This is the salad and the cauliflower rice. I'm so hungry, you guys. I have to finish my January setup, so I'm gonna plan with you guys. So I've already got this week's done. I started late, so I just started it yesterday. So this is like all my to-dos, and then I have my goals for the week here, and I'll do a January flip through when I'm done and show you guys what it looks like. So now we're gonna do week 2. I need my calendar.
No, oh. I ain't never gonna talk. I ain't never gonna talk. I ain't never gonna talk. I ain't never gonna talk.
Okay, so I just took a shower and I am feeling really queasy from, I'm guessing, my new diet. So I'm gonna try to clean my closet a little bit and take down my Christmas tree. And then I have something I'm gonna show you guys that I'm gonna hang up. It's actually my MAPIFUL. So I'm going to clean a little bit so that I can show you and it not be a mess in here. And I'm also probably gonna do a load of laundry, but I don't know because my stomach's really bothering me. So I'm probably gonna have to take some breaks in between each task. Alright, so I got the Christmas tree down. I just have to put it in the box. I put my plant back up that was here before Christmas, and I think I might try to find my Valentine's Day decor, but I'm not really sure where it is. So I might see if my dad knows when he gets home from work, and then I'm just gonna finish cleaning my room. And I'm feeling a little okay now, so I think I want to kind of take advantage of it and pick up and get some stuff done so that I don't feel so useless. I feel so useless today, so I don't want to be lazy. This is unbelievable. I am going to be 25 in about 80 days. 25! And my closet still looks like I'm 5, okay? I need to multiply this by 5 and make it look better. So we're going to do that. I have a lot of pajamas that I need to go through and socks that I haven't worn in forever, so let's just go ahead and do that. So I'm not really sure where to start because the pile I have comes up to here and it's about this wide in circumference. So I don't know. I mean, I don't really need all this stuff, so I'm probably gonna make a Goodwill donation bag. Like this mug, I don't know, like I'm sentimental about it because it's from when I went to Chicago the year I qualified for Worlds at dance, but like I haven't used this in probably 2 years and I forgot I even had it. But then I'm like, well, I could probably take it to work, so we don't have very many mugs at work. That's what I'll do. I'll take it to work. Yes, I'm just gonna go through this pile and like this is disgusting. It was sitting, this is a black tank top and it was sitting like back here, like shoved. And now it has dust all over it, so I guess I'm just gonna throw it away. Some of this stuff's gonna have to be pitched. I can't even donate most of it. Okay, like here's a big t-shirt I can sleep in. I love to sleep in big t-shirts. So anything like this, I'm probably gonna wash because it kind of has that stale sheets smell. You know how like when you get sheets out of the linen closet, it kind of has a weird scent. I don't know if anybody else has that. Maybe it's just me and I'm nasty. I don't know, but I'm gonna wash it so that I can wear it to bed because I always am looking for shirts and freaking out because I can't find any. And then I have like this random slip. I wear these things more like in the summer. I just have so much stuff. I've got beanies and swimsuits. I'm like, those two things don't even go together. Why are they both in the closet right now? Like, gotta figure this out. What I think I might do is take one of those reusable bags up there and put my swimsuits in it and then hang it on my clothing rack that I have my summer clothes on downstairs in our like laundry room area. So that way I can create room for beanies and like anything else that's more of a winter item that I can't hang or put it in a drawer. So I usually just put it like in this basket, or I have 2 other ones sitting out right now. And then I also have this entire basket to go through. It's mostly socks, and then there are some underwear in here, but I don't really have a ton of underwear, so I'm thinking it's probably socks. So maybe like 1 or 2 pairs of underwear in there that I forgot about. So, all right. So I'm gonna start. Whew, okay, I am tired. I just finished cleaning my room and my closet, and my back really hurts. So I'm just gonna lay here for a few minutes. All right, guys, so here's my Chipotle bowl. This is dinner tonight. I got the cauliflower rice. It's pretty good. I like it a lot.